Good morning, sir. I am Manideepa from CSC B section. Today I am going to explain about file sharing in operating system. So first definition of file sharing. File sharing refers to the practice of distributing or providing access to digital files. So file sharing is an operating system and this denotes how information and files are shared between different users, computers or network. And this file sharing refers to the process of sharing or distributing electronic devices or electronic files such as documents, music, videos, images and software between two or more users or computers. So these file sharings are used to share the documents, videos, images through computer networks. Understanding file sharing is essential for effective network management and data accessibility. So, importance of file sharing. File sharing plays a vital role in facilitating collaboration and communication among individuals and organizations. It allows people to share files quickly and easily across different locations, reducing the need of physical meetings and enabling remote work. So by using file sharing, we can be reduce the need of physical meeting because we share the files and documents through online mode. And file sharing promotes efficient use of storage resources by centralizing and data management. Types of files. There are different types of files. Peer-to-peer connection and cloud-based file sharing, direct file transfer, removable meeting file sharing, and file sharing protocols. We have several file sharing protocols. Common file sharing protocol includes SMB. SMB means server message block and NFS, network file system. So first we have to discuss about SMB. SMB means server message block. SMB is like a network-based file shared protocol, mainly used in Windows operating system. It allows our computer to share files printed on a network. And example, if imagine in a company where the employees have to share the files on a particular project. Here, SMB is employed to share files among all the Windows based on operating system. And next we have to go through the NFS. NFS means Network File Sharing System. NFS is distributed based file sharing protocol mainly used in Linux or Unix based operating system. So these NFS is mainly used in Linux or Windows Unix operating system. It allows a computer to share files over a network as if they are were based on local, and it provides a efficient way of transfer files between servers and clients. In NFS network, there are several clients and one server. So many clients will be collaborates with a single network through server. And next, FTP, file transfer protocol, and is widely used for transferring files over the network, and it is the most common standard protocol for transferring of the file between a client and a server on a computer network. FTP supports both uploading and downloading the files. And next, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It can also be used for file sharing, especially in web environments. And the permissions and securities of file sharing. File sharing arises security concerns necessitating proper permissions settings to protect sensitive data. And operating system implements user access control to determine who can view or edit files. In file sharing, we can be secure our data by using uh, security passwords, and it can be enabled only few people can write and changes mode, and it will be access to anyone can read, so only few members can edit the files, so it will be ensured higher security. And encryption may be used to secure files being shared across networks, ensuring data confidentiality. And next, challenges in file sharing. There are different challenges in file sharing. Network latency can affect the speed and efficiency of file sharing operation. file sharing operations. So while we sharing some documents or images, so when the network is very poor, it will be take more time, and this is the challenge in file sharing. Uncompatible issues may arise when different operating system or software versions interact, and data integrity restricts exist, where files may become corrected during transfer or sharing. While we sharing the files or documents, it will be chances to uh, corrupted some data. And file sharing in Windows operating system. Windows utilizes SMB for local and network file sharing, making it user friendly for collaboration. And these file sharing in a Windows operating system, everything will be looking as an iconic. Through icon, we can be easily identify anything. Everyone can identify and use this Windows operating system. And uneducated person also can be used these operating system, and they can be shared images, files, documents, etc. The operating system offers a graphical interface to easily manage file sharing permissions, and Windows also integrates with cloud services like OneDrive to facilitate remote file sharing. And cloud-based file sharing services. Cloud services such as Google Drive and Dropbox have revolutionized file sharing by providing easy access. And these platforms often include collaborative features allowing multiple users can edit documents simultaneously. And these cloud-based file sharing services enable multiple users can be editing at a time with a single document simultaneously. This is the most facilitated offer in cloud-based file sharing. And cloud file sharing reduces the need of physical storage devices, streamlining data management. These will also reduces the physical storage devices. Thank you, sir.